Welcome to our channel! Slocable is a manufacturer brand of photovoltaic, energy storage, and charging products with over 15 years of experience and is committed to becoming a top accessory supplier in the PV industry chain. Slocable is dedicated to providing cutting-edge solutions in PV power generation technology, battery storage technology, and charging control technology. Their commitment to quality is evident in their ISO 9001 Management System certification and their IP68 waterproof rating, the highest standard in the industry. Slocable's product range includes solar cables, MC4 connectors, energy storage connectors, and EV charging cables. Their products are the result of extensive research and development, ensuring that they meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. In addition to being environmentally friendly, solar power systems can also help you save money on your energy bills. With the rising cost of traditional energy sources, investing in solar power can provide long-term savings and even generate income through net metering programs. Whether you're looking to power your home, business, or even a remote location, Slocable's solar power systems can be customized to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching! Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on Slocable's solar power systems.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform